Good evening and welcome to Nonsense Talk News. I am Pallab Ghosh with you. You can see behind me the preparations going on for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mega rally at Chinsurah in West Bengal. He will be coming to Chinsurah on Sunday tomorrow, and he will be holding this rally in support of sitting MP Loket Chatterjee from Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, why this rally is important, why this rally is so significant? This rally is significant because of two things. One, the state which has been totally ruined because of Mamata Banerjee, the state which is actually going to dogs because of Trinamool, needs a change. You can see preparations behind me. The workers of Bharatiya Janata Party are busy. They are gearing up for Prime Minister's campaign tomorrow. The workers of Bharatiya Janata Party, they are working relentlessly for this Sunday event, and this is going to be a very big event. This is going to be a big slap on the face of Mamata Banerjee, who has ruined the state. और मेरे पीछे आप देख रहे हैं कि SPG आ रही है. So this, you can see the security cover actually coming for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's rally tomorrow. This is going to be a very big event. Many questions are going to be raised. Many questions. Questions directly to Mamata Banerjee, who has ruined the state completely, who has transformed the state into a jungle Raj, who not only Sandesh Khali, but had always called everything that has gone wrong as Choto Ghotona, Shajano Ghotona, Bhoiragoto Der Kaj, and off late Til Ke Tal. Whenever there is something wrong, she tries to suppress the voice. In Sandesh Khali, she did the same thing. And till now, till date, she is trying to establish that Sandesh Khali didn't happen. Sandesh Khali is fake. We saw this in Park Street gang rape when she said Choto Ghotona, Pete incident, and transferred IO Damayanti Sen to exile posting. Because Damayanti Sen dared to say Na Didi rape to hoyeche. No Didi, rape had taken place. Same thing we are seeing in Sandesh Khali. She is hellbent, and her nephew is hellbent to establish that nothing has happened in Sandesh Khali. Everything is fake. Sheikh Shah Jahan is a holy cow.
Sheikh Wang. Hello, Sheikh Wang Chu. Hello, Sheikh Wang. Hello, Sheikh Wang Chu. Huh? Sheikh.
See the selfie booth behind me. Of course, people who will come tomorrow on Sunday, they will have the opportunity of clicking selfie with Prime Minister. This is the love and admiration for the Prime Minister. Actually, we had never seen these things in the past. We had seen so many government, we had seen so many Congress Prime Ministers, but never ever seen such adulation for any Prime Minister. This is Prime Minister Narendra Modi's charisma that we can see. A selfie booth, though this is a very regular affair actually today. Wherever Prime Minister Narendra Modi goes, there is a selfie booth. And don't forget, Prime Minister was the first to introduce selfie with me. I mean, anybody who would click a selfie and would send to Prime Minister Narendra Modi when he first assumed office. If you can see behind me, you can see the social media handles where you can find Prime Minister Narendra Modi. There is Facebook, there is WhatsApp, there is Instagram, there is X, previously Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Of course, coup is missing here. A lot of Bharatiya Janata Party members are on coup. I am sure Prime Minister Narendra Modi will consider himself adding himself to coup, which is Indian Twitter. But that's for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to decide. But this is the selfie booth where, so this is the selfie booth where people can come and click photographs. And this will be a memorabilia, this will be a souvenir. You can see behind me, last minute finishing touches are being given. The rally is expected to start at 12 noon on Sunday tomorrow.